When shopping for insurance for your condo, it's important to understand how coverage works. First, determine how much coverage you need, and make an inventory of your valuable belongings. Make sure you include pictures, manufacturer, model, serial number, purchase date, and price, so your insurer knows exactly what's covered. Once you have listed your belongings, compare your policy limits to your inventory and estimate the value. You may be surprised by how much stuff you own, so you'll want to make sure your coverage will cover it all. Secondly, you'll want to create a written record of what you own, so that you can file a claim if something happens. One of the most confusing aspects of condo insurance is how it covers common areas. In general, if your unit is not covered by the condo corporation's policy, you'll be responsible for repairs or replacement. However, if there are any shared elements or property in the unit, you'll need personal insurance. If you own a condo, you'll need to find the right policy for your home. Some policies will cover the entire building and common areas. Other policies will cover only the items inside your unit. Your condo insurance can also cover loss assessments.